Tuesday morning. It's 3:45. We had Bennett about 3.5 hours ago. Here's his little chart. Beautiful beginnings. With his big old feet prints. Kid's got clodhoppers for feet. It's a little something they give to the parents to put behind glass. Did I call him Bennett? I meant to say Owen. Owen Michael. And by the way, here's Mommy.
Hi. I'm sleepy.
And she's sleeping and beautiful. And here's what the whole purpose of this video is, to listen to Owen snore. You gotta hear this. Okay. I figured I had to get that on video. That's fine. Night night, honey. Time for night night. See you later. Bye.